my correct people, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Saga Analyzer TV. I greet you all according to your time. If you don't know woman, it's why you have a high. Wabo we wa bava. Wabo we high. Wamma revedenena. Ema otima noige. Ebony Obasuyi. Ebony billion one. Greet you all according to your time. Welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? Please, if you are seeing my channel for the first time, please do me a favor by hitting that red subscription button that says subscribe. Also like and share this video. In this channel, we upload twice in a week or 3 times in a week, and you know that we are the Saga Analyzer TV. We also go through comment section to bring you guys what people think about some videos. Yes, today we are going to be talking about Ebony Obasuyi, the video she did yesterday, referring to her colleague and the Edo industry, that the time she spent in our Edo industry, she wasted that time. Now she is living a better life in Asaba. So we are on Ebony Obasuyi comment section today. So the first person here says, Ebony, your problem is that you talk too much. Please keep your plans to yourself. You never get anything. Relax and wait upon God. Now here, okay. Let's go to the next comments. I will go dey put the screenshot for here. All the comments where I dey read, so now go dey see am for inside this video. So the next commenter come say, please do not come back again. We no need you, mumu. Why una go dey insult Ebony now? Make una let Ebony do her own thing. So the next commenter come say, much love, my dear. So the other commenter, the other person come say, my favorite. And the other commenter come say, for real, this woman too dey talk. Okay, another person come reply say, I dey tell you. So the other one come say, close your mouth for once. You feel too much. You feel big and talk too much. Is my people, no be small thing o. Dey blastalize Ebony billion for this video. So the other commenter come say, madam, if you really like Ebony, you for don advise her to misbehave. She too misbehave. It's too much. Now Ebony, do not you have mother to advise you? He say, Ebony, you no get mother to advise you. And the other commenter come say, better respect yourself there, because if them push you down now, you go dey cry. So the other commenter come say, Ebony, do not talk too much. Believe in your God and always be thanking God. Okay o. So another one wey come here, this one na gbas. This commenter say, edede girl, go and marry. This marry wey una dey force Ebony, so e don too much. So another person come attack this commenter wey say, edede girl, go and marry. Come say, you fool that marry in bedside. The other one come say, see, ashawo dey advise person make e go marry or muzzle. So the other commenter come say, you don marriage na achievement. If you don marry, na you own your married. You no marry her own. Okay, yes, so everybody dey marry your own marry, because this life, God know as take plan am for each person. Say your time go come, Ebony time go also come to also marry her own. So another person still come here say, nice one. This one still say, another person come under this comment say, as you take confused with your comments or muzzle, jealousy kpai una dey. Hey, don't be small thing, my people. For really say, many people dey come dey fight for comment section because of another person matter, because of Ebony Obasuyi matter. Hey, no be small thing o. Another person come still come here o, come leave another comment o. Say Ebony Obasuyi say better respect yourself, because if dem push you down, okay, I don fit give una dis comment. No be small thing, my people. How una see dis matter? And another person come still come here again o. Dis one na all those fake spiritual people wey dey find customer. Say hello my dear people, have you heard of something spiritual? Make we leave dis comment, make we just leave dis one, because e no too make sense like that. No understand. And wetin make me bring dis matter of Ebony come here so be say Ebony Obasuyi, for real, she no do anything bad wey be say all those commenters, I know say commenters una must talk. Anything you do for dis life, people must talk. Una understand, my Edo people or my Nigeria people. Ebony Obasuyi decide now say e no wan stay our Edo industry again. No be say she decide, una know say dem suspend her. As e come be say dem suspend her, she no just fit stay at home like that now. She need to do one or two things. As far as say she don fit dey go that Asaba, go dey act with all those our English people for film. So she need to move on her life. She need to dey do one or two things. Una understand? So na make am move. As far as say that side better for her, make she kukuma stay that side. And wetin make me not too like the way Ebony take dey do o. Ebony, you need to keep your own secret to yourself. Owe inyawera afofua, uyobe vivaya gwe. Ya muladia we public do atame ema. Maybe you dey tell your viewers, you dey tell your haters or all those kind thing. Just keep your your secret to yourself. If you come live video, your advice wey I wan give you, just dey talk wetin be say no concern your body, yourself. Understand? Just come have fun with your viewers, with your lovers, according to you. All those things wey you still talk now, I know say our Edo presenters go come use this video against you today, come still fire you back. You understand? I know say that one no dey do you anything o. You don even strong for each side. You understand? So now I say make I carry this matter come meet una. So let's take our next comment. E say those make get money for the industry sef no dey make mouth. Ebony, they are telling you say the people wey really get money for the industry, they say they no dey make mouth to say you too dey make mouth. Okay. The other commenter come say I love Ebony movie, but she just make me vex for this one now. Okay, that is the video wey she do last night. Na this commenter dey talk so. So another commenter come say jealousy wan kpai una for Ebony matter. Make she talk, not your business. E say wetin she talk no be una business. Make una leave Ebony alone. This commenter come say why you first run from Asaba. Ebony, dem dey ask you say why you first run for Asaba, come back to our Edo industry, come dey act with them. Abeg, my people, make una leave comment for comment section for that, because say madam, if you really like Ebony, you for don advise am since wey she dey misbehave. Now understand, my people, wetin una think about this video? Make una no forget to leave una opinion for comment section. My own opinion for Ebony Obasuyi, make she calm down, make she relax, make she dey do her own thing dey go. No be everything you go dey bring dey come social media. Ebony Obasuyi, because we the Edos, we love you so much. We love you as a sister. When I love all thing, Rima I love you well. Ma we love a movie well. Ebony Obasuyi. So inyawe vivaga fofo vijeme. You be vivaya gweo. Emi ya wado atave social media. Awe negbe ya toloma. Awe na ya tole obolo Ebony. So just stay calm, okay? We love you so much. Guys, like and share this video. Also subscribe to this channel for more updates. Bye guys. So my people, audio comment wey be say dem leave when I just read for una for inside this video, I leave am for this ending of this video. Make una help me read am and leave una opinion below. Bye.